Yep. Off. On. Damn. Okay. Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here with Blake.
What's up, good?
He picked up this yellow film off eBay. How much did you pay?
800.
800? 800 for this?
I think it's
It's 17 bucks or something, under $20. Quite easy to do. So just the fog lights right now. Yeah, it's a glass housing. We're just gonna give them a clean, prep them, and wrap them. So what you really need for this job is a heat gun, which we don't have. We're just using a hairdryer, it'll do the job. And a good Stanley. Give me a helping hand. Can you carry this bumper up there? Damn, okay. Gonna split in half. And if you look at the piece, I don't know if you can see, but it actually has a protective film over it. So what you want to do is peel the protective layer first. Sorry, we have technical difficulties right now. I'll speak to the producer. Oh man, we didn't even clean it. It requires instant detail. Spray the fog light. A pristine microfiber. Bang. Good as new, man. And peel the backing. Here we go. So what we're gonna do with the piece, just gonna heat it up. Oh. And apply it. It's a bit awkward. I know it'd be a lot easier if we could take the fog light off, but my mate Blake left his tools at his friend's house. So we're just working what we have. So we just need more heat. Keep stretching. I know you can see a bit of air bubbles, but it doesn't really matter. It's just fog lights, you know what I mean? As long as we get the desired yellow look we want, we'll be happy.
It's looking good so far.
Just cut the edges.
Voila, would you look at that?
Look, for the first attempt, it's not bad. I feel like it'd be a lot easier for us if we could actually take it out. But from here,
Yeah, we just yellowified it without even taking it off. So
how about that?
it's pretty good. We're not going for show car quality here. We're just
Strictly performance.
strictly performance.
He's really there to live.
Dare to live.
My girlfriend thought he's struggling to live.
Yeah, kind of struggle to live, but
Not gonna lie, Blake, you look like the most generic car guy.
I kind of do.
You do. Anyways, we're just going to flip the bumper, get it a bit closer to the heat gun, and Blake decided to do the next one. Go, man.
Thank you. Get the middle of it touched like that. Yeah, that's okay.
And start spreading it. Fog light 1. Fog light 2. Yep. Off. On. Damn. Okay. So we just pulled up to the car park. This is how they look under the light.
It's hella bright. Gonna need some compensation for the headlights and that.
Man, the light is even like bouncing off your face,
Yeah.
man. It's crazy.
Put the fog lights up for an extra like 10 HP. Make it
Go a little bit more faster, but no, other than that.
Awesome. So that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope I'll see you next one, guys.
Yeah, see you guys.
Peace out.